Okay. So first thing you want to do is, what you guys are going to care about right off the bat is which way to put these. So you want to put these the little things that it comes with, you want them to be buttoned down. Then you want to have your mag up, right? So you want these up. And I know I'm making it super simple, but that's how I want to see it. Slide them all the way in, bend them, and then you're just gonna start weaving in and out. But weave, weave, okay. So when you get them both barely through, again, it's way easier with a tool. I should have said that, but I'm not doing that. I'm not going to find one. Once you do that, bend it downward and apply some pressure on the back there. And you're good to go. Pull it as much as you can because you need every little bit of slack you can get. Weave the last one. And this one. Alright, so get these both tucked in here. That's it. You're pretty much home free. Now what you want to do is tuck it. So you want to tuck it underneath in this little slit right here. So pull it as much as you can. Tuck it in like so. And that's all she wrote. That's it. Pretty simple. I'll post links to this stuff in the description so you guys can see where I got everything. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this helped.